Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in previous lectures we were discussing about different levels, start from atomic and subatomic level. Atoms actually composed of subatomic particles such as electron, protons and neutrons. These atoms combine to form molecules. Group of molecules form subcellular structures called organelles, and group of organelles form a complete cell. Group of cell that perform specific function form tissue level, and tissue having related function form an organ, and organ having same function form organ system, and all the organ and organ system group together to form a complete individual or whole organism. Dear students, in this lecture now we are going to discuss next level, that is population. What is population? Population is a group of similar individuals belong to same species, present at same place at same time is called population. In this, actually similar individuals present at same time at same place. For example, number of students in biology class. In this class, all the students are actually in the form of a group, and this group is called population. For population, it is compulsory similar individuals, same place, same time. Second example is the number of peoples in a city. Third, number of rats in a field of rice. This level is called population level. Some important factors actually related with population. One of them is gene frequency. What is gene frequency? Gene frequency is the total number of genes in a population for particular trait. Second important factors that relate with population is gene flow. How gene flow from one population to other population? Gene always flow from one population to other population through migration. Movement of genes from one population to other populations through migration. Third factor that relate with population is population density. What is population density? Population density is the total number of individuals in given population. Fourth important factor is population pressure. Effect of environment on population is called population pressure. And fifth factor is age distribution. In given population, individuals having different age. These 5 factors such as gene frequency, gene flow, population density and population pressure and age distribution are the important for a given population. Next level is community level. What is community? Community is the group of different populations present at same place at same time. Communities further divided into 2 categories. One is the simple community, that is isolated, small and few populations containing community is called simple community. Next is the complex community, that is large interrelated area containing many populations. For example, this area that is in the form of isolated area contain few populations called simple community. In the form of house is a simple community. Area in a forest in the form of fallen tree is its simple community. Ponds near the river form its simple community. Such type of houses in a city form complex community. City is a complex community. Forest is its complex community. River is complex community. Simple communities are always isolated and environmental effect on such type of communities is very harsh. In communities, organisms are in the form of interactions with other organisms. This interaction is further divided into 5 categories. One is the predation, interaction between prey and predator. Actually, in our community, some individuals kill and eat the other individuals. Such individuals are called predator, and the individuals that are being caught and eaten are prey. Interaction between this prey and predator is called predation. Next type of interaction is parasitism. Interaction between parasite and host. Parasite is an individual that get benefit from the others and give harm. The individual that is being harmed is in the form of host. Interaction between host and parasite is called parasitism. Next one is the mutualism. Interaction between two individuals of different species. In this, both individuals get benefits. Such type of interaction is called mutualism. For example, insect and flowering plants. Next one is the commensalism. In this interaction, one individual get benefit while other not get benefit, not harm. For example, some sucker fishes that attach with the sharks, and sharks prey other fishes and get food and spread some particle of the food for sucker fishes. These sucker fishes actually with the sharks get benefit, while sharks not get benefit, not harm. Such type of interaction is called commensalism. Next one is the competition. Competition is the struggle among the individuals for same resources. For example, in a grassy field, sheep actually compete with the other grazer animals. So this actually related with the struggle among the member of same species or among the member of different species to get same resources. This struggle is called competition. In a community, individuals may be in the form of predation interactions, parasitisms, mutualisms, commensalisms, or in the form of competitions. This level is called community level. Thank you very much.